SuperMindz! Hi kids, let's have a fun quiz on Among Us. What is the main goal of the crewmates in Among Us? Do the task. What color is the emergency meeting button? Red. What is the name of the spaceship map in Among Us? The Skeld. What happens when a crewmate is ejected? Thrown out of the map. How many impostors can there be in one game? Up to 3. What is the name of the snowy map in Among Us? Polus. Which room in the Skeld map is used to call emergency meetings? Cafeteria. What role can the imposter perform that the crewmates cannot? Sabotage. What is the name of the Sky High map in Among Us? Mira HQ. What do players do when they find a dead body? Report it. What color is commonly associated with being an imposter? Red. What place involves swiping a card? Admin. Which room is often considered dangerous due to frequent kills? Electrical. How do crewmates win the game? Complete all tasks or eject all impostors. What is the term used when a crewmate is not performing tasks but just wandering around? Suspecting.